Alright guys, just made it here to Dollar Tree and look at all of these balloons, you guys.
3, 2, 1, I fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Ballin', from the first whistle we go all in. And one, call it. Numbers up and never falling.
Okay guys, so look and let me show you all of the 4th of July stuff that they have already set up in here. So if you guys are looking for some decorations, you can definitely come up and check it out here at Dollar Tree. Look at this one. So basically they're all $1, right?
Yep.
It's really nice.
It's vibrating.
And then they have this small container for water. Also got these colorful ones. And then we found these cute little decors. This is a unicorn and a dog. Is it a dog? Yeah, it's a dog. We're gonna place this back. And then here's some hats. There's that one. And then we have this one right here with the stripes. They got some headbands. These are cute. The necklaces. These are so shiny. Yeah, so they got these two different ones. The one that says USA and this one right here with the stars. They got the scarves. I think it's only just one. Wait, there's a second one that is different. This one is a different pattern with the stars, and this got squares. There's a couple more. I believe you add this. These are scarves as well, so these are different scarves. And they got your flower lights. I guess that's how you say it. And then we found some sockers, some socks actually, not sockers. Wait. Did I say sockers? I meant to say a pair of socks. Here are different pair of socks in different colors. Bandanas. Wait, what? Yeah. And then here's the American flag. What are these called? And these are pinwheels. Oh yeah. Some more decorations. And also, you guys, I just wanted to mention to you guys that Mother's Day is coming out really soon. So they're also selling some bags that you guys can give out, you know, as a gift. They're all pretty as well. Then
they have green, pink, gold, and purple, and blue.
this is a nice foldable fan you guys can give out.
Yeah, I remember. Oh, there's more.
Different colors. And there's also some bucket hats. I think this is out. And then here are more ideas that you guys can give out for Mother's Day, which is a photo frame.
Just put, like, pictures.
Yeah, you can put a picture in here. This one says mom. And there's a couple of more bags. And some LED flower lights.
What lasts for 120 hours.
Then we have a stand here.
This one.
Greeting cards for Mother's Day. This one says Feliz Día de la Madre. Really nice.
They're cute.
Here's some more storage containers, beans. Look at all of these plates. Nice colors for summer. Getting ready for summer. This is the kitchen towel. And this is a different one. Or is it the same? I don't know if it's the same one. They look different.
These two different ones that says hello sweet summer, and over here says life is a
Beach of waves.
Enjoy the waves.
Nice. Let me show you these bowls. You guys, they're already set up with all of these summer vibes. Look, they're pretty. And then here's the watermelon one.
And there's a pineapple
This
one.
is a pineapple one.
And here's
That's a bigger tray.
yeah.
And there's a couple more down here. The flamingos. And also they have some share pads in different styles.
These are cute. Cute necklaces, a rainbow necklace, and a chain.
I know, look at this one. Here are more headbands. Look, they sell these. I didn't know they sell these in here. These are the skirts. Oh yeah. And usually they ask this for the kids, you know, like their special days when they do like some sort of. Anyways, guys, look at all of the different colors of the collar. Yeah, and they have this ones right here. Very colorful. And they also have flowers and bouquets of 4th of July. Look at these ones right here. I like these ones. They're hanging. They're like kind of like lavenders, right? I don't know what they are. These are actually amaratus. I don't know what they're called. I don't know how you say that, but yeah. This is what they look like. And by the way, look at all the balloons for Mother's Day. So pretty. My daughter was just showing me these flowers right here that I missed. They have glitter inside the flower, which is pretty. Yeah. And here's another one with glitter inside as well.
There's different colors. There's only red and blue. So I just got blue.
Yeah. So, like I was mentioning, there's lots of balloons in here for Mother's Day. Everything is full for Mother's Day. So this is what the Dollar Tree looks like here at my local store. So we're gonna go ahead and walk around and see what else we find. And other than Mother stuff items that they have and 4th of July items, they also have the graduation decorations, because you guys, a lot of you guys are going to be graduating from school this year. So for those of you who are actually in school, and all you mommies out there are also watching this video, here's just some ideas that you guys can get. So if you guys are looking for something specific in here for graduations and are looking for a lower budget, you can definitely come and check it out here at Dollar Tree. So let me just show you a little bit of what they have, which is this graduation cap decoration. Yeah, and the wall mural that you guys can use. Inflatable decor for everyone graduating this year. You can put their pictures in here. Oh, look at this little dog. 2021 grad. This is so cute. It's a rubber ducky. Yeah, and then they have also the balloons for congrats in here. I'm gonna pull one down so you guys can see it. Look, really nice. And also they have the frames for their certificates. And then of course more graduation decorations that you guys can use. Here's a couple more banners. Oh yeah, look at this one. Class of 2021. And here's some grill items for cooking outside, and the grills, you guys can find some in here as well. Look at this one. I was just making some burgers yesterday, but we used the different one, and this one is reusable. You can use these little baskets. This will be fun to use. Yeah. Look at these flip-flops. Anyways, guys, here's another mug for Mother's Day, and this one says "Mom life is the best life," and I like this one because it's in like a lavender color. It's got the flowers in it. And then here just like a couple of few gift sets that you guys can give out. Here's a nail filer. This is an eye mask.
This is you can grab a bubbles last and stamp.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take it.
And then this one says "Be you, Titful, beautiful, you beautiful." Features 129 lines of pages. So this is so small. Journal. You can also give out as a gift. That's a great idea. And by the way, this would be good as well to add as a gift, which is a magnetic list pad, 60 sheets, and a to-do list pad. This one right here, and then here's a different one right here. Oh yeah, this is a different color one with the bananas. And then here are more gift ideas. Some bath bombs, hot and cold iPads. I don't think I've used this before, but that would be awesome. I guess it's for the eyes. And then we found another mug that says "Love you to the moon and back" for $1. And then we found another stand for Mother's Day. This one says bloom where you are planted. And then it's got this cute bicycle in the back. Anyways, you guys, I think that is it for today's video. So that is it for today's video, you guys. If you guys enjoyed it, please don't forget to subscribe and like.